Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. To get started, let's first open your Snapchat application. So once you reach on the Snapchat homepage, you need to tap on the Bitmoji, which is at the upper left corner. When you reach on this section, you can easily see the option of my public profile. But if you don't find this my public profile button directly, then you can change from the settings also. You need to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the upper right corner. When you reach on the settings page, you can scroll down, or else on the top only you can see the birthday option. Simply tap on birthday and you need to set your birthday in such a way that you reach 18 years of age or above 18. Then only the option of my public profile will be shown on your Snapchat. You can simply tap on the birthday and you can increase the year also in this way and tap on continue. After you are done with this, you can scroll down and under privacy control you need to choose the options here and set to my friends. You can tap view my story option and set to my friends only. After that, you can select contact me option and choose to friends and contact. In this way, make more and more option to friends or to public so that the option of my public account can be shown. After that, when the option of my public profile is shown on this page, you can simply tap on my public profile option and now tap on OK button at the bottom of the screen. And now after that, you can customize your profile and easily set your public profile on Snapchat. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.